everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is 𝙙𝙬𝙙𝙮, but everyone calls me Nige. So you already know, you can call me Nige. Today we're transforming this into this. So if you want to see how we got this mussel dish, just keep on watching. Starting with our mise en place, I'm going to small dice some shallot. Shallot is like a beautiful mixture of garlic and onion. If you don't use this in your seafood, you need to start. And I'm also going to be slicing a lemon. This is going to really help with our acidity and zest. When it comes to cleaning mussels, that does not mean just running cool water over them. We're going to be extracting these hair-like fibers from the mussels called the beard, and we're just going to clean them up and make sure they're nice and ready to go. Ooh wee, that made me sound like one of my culinary professors. So let's get cooking. I'm going to heat up some oil in a pan, get that nice and hot, and then I'm going to dump in some garlic and the shallot that we just chopped up and get that fragrant and really aromatic for about a minute or two. Now we're going to add our mussels. We're going to add them straight to the pan, and I am going to season these pretty heavy, which is okay because mussels like to absorb seasoning. So give them something to absorb, you know. And after you're pretty heavy-handed with that, add some white wine. Rule of thumb, the drier the white wine, the better. And then I'm going to top these off and just let them steam for about 15 minutes. Some people do it in 5 or 6. I personally don't want to do that because I want my seasoning to go through. In the meantime, I'm going to work on one of my favorite pairings that go with mussels, which is toast. So I'm going to slice a French baguette, butter that up, and get that in the broiler. You know these are done when all of them open and bloom. So yes, these are now ready to be plated. And right before I plate them, I'm just gonna chop up some parsley just for a green note to the plate. It'll really brighten it up, you'll see. Now on to my favorite part, which is plating. Mussels are extremely easy to plate just because they have their own aesthetic, they have their own look. Mussels are really just that girl, okay? But I'm also going to add the baguette on the side, and I'm also going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley just so it really brightens up the dish. And then I'm also going to squeeze that lemon wedge over for a little hint of acidity. You'll thank me later. So there you have it. Here are these mussels and this white wine sauce. This is one of my signature dishes. It works every time. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. By all means, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.